Hi guys, so I've been in my basement for about an hour with my dog. This is our yard here, and my husband moved his truck because everything went flying, and yeah, it got crazy. I think a tornado came through or something. I'm not even sure. I just know that I got so scared I almost threw up. So this is my road, and if I can get over to where it is, this is my road. So I got all these trees down here. Let me see if I can zoom in for you guys. So this is my road, and it is just nuts. My neighbor downstairs, oh my God. My neighbor downstairs, this is his motorcycle. It is laying on its side, and the wind is so crazy that my husband's afraid if he picks it up, it's gonna fall over again. Sorry, I'm going back to the basement. These are uprooted trees in my backyard, and that's a tree over there laying on top of the building. So yeah, it is absolutely crazy. And so everybody stay safe. I'm going back to the basement with my poor dog. So I've been down here for about an hour. Here's my poor puppy. So yeah, it's crazy out there. Stay safe, everybody. Bye.